Let's go to page 197 and start with number 29. This one you have to solve it and identify all the double root. So you got x to the 4 minus 2x squared plus 1 equal to 0. So first you want to do is you want to do the factoring. So this one, again, if you go through the checklist, right? So step 1, common factor cannot. Step 2, special factor. 3 terms you have to check for perfect square. Okay. So to get the perfect square on that, you need to get x squared, right? X squared give you x to the 4. And to get 1, you have to have 1. And to match the middle, you have to have a minus. Okay, because minus 1 squared give you that, or plus. So this one, you have to use that. Okay, so anyway, so you're just guessing right now. So from here, you guess this. From this, you guess that. But you need to have minus to match that, right? Then you check, see if it matches that. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2x squared, so that's it, right? So from here, notice it's square, so that means you're going to get double root. Okay. But from here, you're going to have x squared minus 1 equal to 0. And again, this is double because the square. Okay. So everything is double. Okay, so a double root for everything. And then again, from here, you can factor again. So you get x plus 1, x minus 1. And again, this is double root because of this. Right? This will give you double root for all of them. And so you're going to get x equal to negative 1. And this again is double root from this. Okay? And you got x equal to 1. Again, this is the double root. Right. Okay, next one. You got t to the 6 plus 9t squared equal to 10t to the 4. Okay, so first, let's go ahead and move everything to the left-hand side so we can make it equal to 0 so we can do the factoring. So you got t to the 6 minus 10t to the 4 plus 9t squared equal to 0. So that's going to do the factoring. So step 1, common factor, you can factor out the t squared. So you're going to get t to the 4 minus 10t squared plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, then we have to factor this. Okay, so this is going to be step 4, match the product. So you have to add to get negative 10. You have to multiply to get 9. So you can start with 1 comma. You have to negative 1, negative 9, and that's it. Okay, but because it's the t to the 4th, you need to break into t squared and t squared. You need to have a minus 1, minus 9. Okay, then you have to factor more. So you're going to get t plus 1, t minus 1. This one you're going to get t plus 3, t minus 3 equal to 0. Now, make sure you follow through which equal to 0 because it's the equation, right? So from here, you're going to get t equal to 0, and this is a double root. Okay? And you're going to get t equal to negative 1, and t equal to 1, t equal to negative 3, and t equal to 3. So when you write this, you're going to get 0, double root, and you're going to get negative 1, 1, negative 3, 3. Okay, and you can do that. Okay. Now let's go to the next one, number 33. Okay, you got u minus 2 cubed minus 3u plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Now for this one, you probably want to go and multiply these things out. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's go and multiply these things out. So you can go off to the side. Now since you don't know a shortcut yet, so you got to write out this way. So I'm going to make into square and u times 2. Okay. So this one, I'm going off to the side. And I'm going to do the shortcut. So this will be u squared minus 4u plus 4 times u minus 2. So again, later on, you're going to learn how to do the shortcut using something called Pascal's triangle. But right now you haven't learned that yet, so you just have to do it a long way. And so when you multiply, you're going to get u cubed minus 2u squared minus 4u squared plus 8u, and then over here plus 4u and minus 8. Okay, so you're going to get u to the 3 minus 6u squared plus 12u minus 8. Okay, so now bring it back up here. So you got u to the 3 minus 6u squared plus 12u minus 8. Then you got minus 3u plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so this and this will cancel out, and this over here you can combine. So you got u cubed minus 6u squared plus 9u equal to 0. Okay. Then after that, let's go and do the factoring. So step 1, common factor. So factor out u. You get u squared minus 6u plus 9 equal to 0. And then after that, this is going to be your step 2. So 3 terms you have to check for perfect squares. Okay. So that's your step 2b. So you're going to get u, and so from here you get this. From this you get 3. And to figure out plus or minus, you have to look in the middle. So it will be like this. Again, you're just guessing right now, so you have to check, see if the middle can match. So negative match, 2 times 3 match the 6, u times u, okay? So from here you're going to get u equal to 0. From here you're going to get u equal to 3, and this is the double root. Okay? So you're going to get 0, 3, double root. Okay? Okay, so this one you want to solve. It kind of gives you the clue, right? So number 35, you got 0.3x squared plus 0.2x minus 0.1 equal to 0. So when you have decimal, you just go ahead and, when you have one decimal place, just multiply everything by 10. So multiply everything by 10, so that way you move decimal one place over. So you got 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Then from here you can do the factoring. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So that's your massive product. So you have to add to get 2. You have to multiply to get negative 3. Okay. Okay. So with 1 comma negative 3, 3 comma negative 1, and that's the one you need. Again, remember to follow through which are equal to 0. Okay. So you got x and 3x, right? So this will be the inside. So it will be plus 1, right? 3 times 1 give you 3. Okay, so that's the inside. And this will be the outside. So 1 times negative 1 will give you the negative 1. Okay. Then from here, you set each part equal to 0. So you're going to get, and solve. So you're going to get x equal to negative 1. And you're going to get x equal to 1 over 3. Now you can write your answer this way, or you can write in a solution set, either way. Okay. Okay, number 37, we got 1/6 x squared plus 1/2 x minus 2 over 3 equal to 0. So when you have decimal, multiply to get rid of decimal. When you have fraction, multiply to get rid of fraction. So you want to multiply by the LCD, the least common denominator. So multiply by 6. Okay. Again, write it down. It helps you to visualize, and you also help you to cancel out. So you got x squared. This cancel out. So you got plus 3x. This one cancel out. So you get minus 4. Now 6 times 0 is still give you 0, right? Okay. So once you do that, now you can do the factoring. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, massive product. So you need to add to get 3. You need to multiply to get negative 4. So try 1 comma negative 4, and from here you can see the number is correct, but the sign is wrong, so you just switch. So you got 4 comma negative 1. Okay. Now since the coefficient is 1, so whatever you see is whatever you put down. So it will be plus 4 minus 1. So again, set it equal to 0 and you solve. So you're going to get x equal to negative 4, x equal to 1. Okay, so again, you want to solve and identify all the double root. So you get x minus 1 to the 3 minus x minus 1 squared equal to 0. So again, when things get messy, what you can do, you can use the substitution. Okay, so let a equal to x minus 1. So this becomes a to the 3 minus a squared equal to 0. Okay, so again, you don't want to do this, but if you get confused easily, do that, and it will make things a lot easier. So factor out the a squared, so you get a minus 1 equal to 0. So from here, you're going to get a equal to 0, and this is a double root. And you're going to get a minus a equal to 1, right? So from here, you're going to get a equal to 0. From here, you're going to get a equal to 1. Then after that, you substitute this back in here. So a equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0. And x minus 1 equal to 1. Right? Again, remember, this is a double root. So plus 1 on each side. So x equal to 1, and this is a double root. And this one, you plus 1 on each side. So x equal to 2. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 41. You got x squared minus 4 to the 3 equal to 0. Okay, so this one, you know, you're going to get triple root, right? So what you do is you're going to get x squared minus 4 equal to 0, and this is a triple root. Okay. And from here, you can do the factoring. So x plus 2, x minus 2 equal to 0. Again, remember, all these are triple root, okay? Because from here. And then from here, you're going to get x equal to negative 2, x equal to 2, and again, all these are triple roots. So you can do this. You can do negative 2, triple root, and 2, triple root. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. You got x squared plus 1 squared minus 4, x squared plus 1 plus 4 equal to 0. So again, whenever you see when you see the repeated part and it gets messy, use a substitution. Okay. So you want to let a equal to x. Again, you can use any letter. Okay, plus 1. Okay, so this becomes a squared minus 4a plus 4 equal to 0. Then you can do the factoring. Okay, again, this is a step 2b. So it would be a minus 2 squared. So from here you can solve. You got a minus 2 equal to 0, and this is the double root. So you can plus 2 on each side. Well, actually, you can probably just substitute already. Okay, because sometimes this can simplify. So a equal to x squared plus 1. So x squared plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. So you got x squared minus 1 equal to 0. Then you have to do the factoring. So x plus 1, x minus 1. So from here, you're going to get x equal to negative 1 and x equal to 1. But remember, all these are double root, right? Okay, all these are double root from here. Okay, okay, so you're going to get negative 1, double root, 1, double root. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, find all the zeros and more. Zeros means you set y equal to 0. So you got f of x equal to x minus 4 cubed minus 4 times x minus 4. Okay, to find the zeros means you want to set the y equal to 0 or set this equal to 0. That's what I mean by looking for the zeros. So just set it equal to 0. Okay, again, when things get complicated, what you do is go and let this equal to a. So let a equal to x minus 4. That way this becomes a to the 3 minus 4a equal to 0. So go ahead and factor out the a. So you got a squared minus 4 equal to 0. And then from here, you can go ahead and factor, so it'd be a plus 2, a minus 2 equal to 0. So from here, you're going to get a equal to 0. From here, you're going to get a equal to negative 2. From here, you're going to get a equal to 2. Okay? Now from here, you substitute it back. Okay? So substitute this back in here, so you're going to get x minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to negative 2. X minus 4 equal to 2. Okay. And then after that, just plus 4 on each side. So you got x equal to 4. This one you plus 4. You get x equal to 2. This one you plus 4. You got x equal to 6. Okay. So your zeros are 2, 4, 6. Okay. Next one. You have f of z equal to 9 z to the 4 minus 12 z to the 3 plus 4 z squared. Again, to find the zeros, you set this equal to 0. Okay, so again, to find zeros, you set equal to 0. The next step is you want to do the factoring. So this one you can factor out the, I'm going to put a 0 on this side. So go ahead and factor out the z squared. So you're going to get 9z squared minus 12z plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so I'm just flip this to this side. Okay, so now let's go ahead and solve. Okay, so again, factor. So you can factor this. So it's step 2b again. So that's your perfect square. So you're going to get 3. Right, 3 squared give you 9. You need to get z squared to give you z squared. To get 4, you need to have a 2. And to figure out plus or minus, you look over here, so it will be a minus. So this is just guessing. So you have to check, see if the middle term match. Okay, so that's going to see if it match. So sign, okay, match. The number 2 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12, so match. Alphabet match, so that's correct. So from here, you can see that from here you're going to get z equal to 0, and this is a double 0. Okay, not a double root, but double 0 because you're looking for the zeros. Now this one, it's not as obvious, so what you want to do, you want to just set it equal to 0, and again this is double 0. And after that, just go and solve, right? So plus 2 on each side. If it's obvious, you can just write down. If it's not, then you can just go and set it equal to 0 and solve. So you got 3z equal to 2, divided by 3, divided by 3. So z equal to 2/3, and this is double 0. Okay, so you're going to get 0, and this is the double 0, and you're going to get 2/3 double 0. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, f of x equal to x minus 1 to the 4th power minus 4, x minus 1 to the 3. Okay, so again, to find the zeros, you set this equal to 0. Okay, again, that's what I mean by, looking for 0, is when this is equal to 0. Again, when things get messy, you use a substitution. So what you do is let a equal to x minus 1. Again, you can choose any letter, okay, but try to use capital letter. Okay, so you're going to get a to the 4 minus 4a to the 3 equal to 0. So from here you can factor out the cube, the a cube. So you're going to get a minus 4 equal to 0. So from here you're going to get a equal to 0, and this is the triple 0. From here you're going to get a equal to 4. Now let's go and substitute back. A equal to x minus 1, right? So let's put this back in here. Okay, then from here you just plus 1 on each side. So x equal to 1. Again, this is a triple 0. This one you plus 1 on each side. So you're going to get x equal to 5. Okay? So you're going to get 1 triple, that's a triple 0, and you got 5.